Viral stock tip. Could it be a trap? Guaranteed profits. Zero risk. Is a red flag.
If someone pressures you to buy immediately, urgency is not research. Take your time and investigate first. Before buying a stock, ask 3 questions. What does the company do? How does it make money? And what could go wrong? Always check the source. Who is giving the advice, and can you verify their experience? Anonymous hype is not proof. Don't judge a company by a flashy chart. Check its revenue, profit, and debt before you decide anything. Before thinking about how much you could, ask how much you could lose. Every investment needs a downside plan. Don't chase hype. Research first, decide later. And never invest just because someone online you should.